Araida ibore ai alama ekosio kai kare kaneja sesisha kai sisha nakinak Luko St. Elizabeth Kidetoko Girls Kotomo District Aloko Serere Kotoma Paknade Numunumere Etubela Jokanlo Esisiak Kotoma Kirono Aingito na Carlo Atubor Esomero loko St. Elizabeth Kidetoko Girls Nyesabu tutubidue akaisare wongono kotoma Dr. na sodito senior na wongone kosode tidwe lwede parete akaisare adumna pointan atomona kanyikuju kotoma osinia na ikanyetape a subject anano ka science nepekeda arts MP Lobuklo Kopingire Fred Opolot Nesi Abuoropo Esisiak ka Esisia na kinaka kanwe tubelo ajokan Karadeja saini ngosha no etere kinakeda Isomero.
That's why it is satisfying to be a member of parliament when such things happen. When results such as this happen, as a leader, it gives me a lot of morale. Because I will tell you, leadership is not easy. Because you have to be very focused, extremely focused. When your head teacher told me that there were shortages of teachers, Apingire SS told me the same, Labor High told me the same. And I had to do all I can to ensure that these schools get some teachers.
Ejai etubelo idue Aikeun kotomo Isomeroi luko sini obuklo Kopingire Etube kotomo Isomeroi luko primary nyesida eroko ijesarakwo.
I take education very seriously, extremely seriously. In fact, when we're campaigning, it was one of my key items of the manifesto. In a few years that I have been in parliament, some progress has been made. Although we need to do a lot in primary level. As a constituency, we are still doing badly or poorly at the primary level because that is where excellence starts from. That's where you build excellent students. If you do not address seriously education right from P1, then we're in problems.
Esisiak kakezda yala masino ineja MP Opolot kanoda airopokesi kanwasom kechena jokan kotoma ingito no senior na iwongonet kana ikanyetape.
I'm very happy and glad to be here today to thank God for enabling me to score 16 points in HLD, that is Literature, History and Divinity / ICT, and I thank God for my guardian, who is Reverend Father Emmanuel Monyokola, who has always been there for me. And also I thank God for our teachers, who were always there for us. They endlessly supported us to ensure that we achieved.
Anasa muna ajokan nara akubunga pedo adumna kaisara nukanyare otomo Isomeroi lebaka kebaka tatatunga be apesuluma misoma ite ojo eja Isomeroi la pesul konya bwe last ban nara kimo Etube noi konga shalankina uya mwalimu kade apuganda no aswam kese na gugong no podcast gwa tomani jaiso
Iyala masauriak neja si Esisia nakina kaluko St. Elizabeth Kidetoko Girls SS kanoda waina kina kech aitutubidwe kotoma doketat na kuju.
Esinyikoki adumutidwe aina nakineta neja MP kede semero iborengi ni sinyikoki nidwe asoma gugong kede aishalam kine semero da anwa kuranut na rai sekbero kau Isomeroi lo mami swame jok
Isomeroi lo ni samina ya uni kadwe kere kapesu wongon ke tu Isomeroi aruna rai aswamu na je ine rai na jokan wade di to kroni dwe jok wala academics kapani elosia academics je swama ti mwalimu ka gugong kere aimbe dwe jok.
Kanuka TV East Alexander Makeyo Kori.